And Stephanie Marchetti is just, she
was great to work with. Yeah, for sure.
Really a fantastic and appreciative and dynamic woman who is really changing lives. And she told me, she said, these guys come in here and they have such heavy hearts and they feel so ashamed and they've struggled and they are not proud of where they are. And she, what she says to them? You're home now. Your struggles are over.
That's amazing. It's like heartwarming. Yeah.
Yeah. Like that really makes me choked up because thinking that these guys haven't had a home, they haven't had anyone care about them, theoretically, and for her to say that to them and genuinely mean it, like, wow.
That is pretty cool.
Yeah. Yeah. And she's, the real deal too. So it's fantastic.
Top notch.
Yeah.
It was. It's going to make me tear up.
Yeah.
I know, right?
It's great. Every time I think about it, I'm like, wow, truly grateful to be a part of something like that. It was amazing.
Yeah. I can't say enough great things about it. I'm sad it's over.
Me too. It was fun. We all got closer in that experience, I think.